Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pepe. This is your boy Dorothy Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Search Dorothy Awilo. Like, share, comment, follow, repost, subscribe. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the results always be successful. Quand l'opportunité raconte la préparation, le résultat donne toujours le succès. Today, we want to play simple game. Like we have two teams here, and we have different items on this table. So this team here, there are two teams. If this captain, if you accept tomato, and she is the first person to pick the tomato, she's winner. She wins 200 naira, and so on until this money finish from my hand. Are we ready? You guys ready? Cameraman, are we ready? Viewers, let's go. Apple. Drop him. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Are we ready? Yes. Are we ready? Yes. Onions. Are we good? Are we ready to go? Yes. Okay, now fit change na captain if you not comfortable with na captain. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pepe. Mama, they're active. They see the table. You can pick everywhere, anywhere. Are we good? Let's go. Okay. Pick me lemon. Everybody fail. This is lime. Lemon. Okay. Somebody should give me Gary. Nobody did this line. What happened? Are we on record? Somebody should give me carrot. Let's go. Ready. No, make the line straight, Abel. Make the line straight. Let's go. Somebody should give me big. Let's go. Somebody should give me lime. Wait. Men are wait. Hey. This is no men are wait. Are we ready? Yes. Are we ready? Yes. Somebody should give me garlic. Yes. Are we ready? Let the line straight. The line. Yeah, let's go. Somebody should give me. Are you ready? Plantain. There's no plantain inside here. Let's go. Mommy, they online. Let's go. Somebody should give me. Are you ready? Somebody should give me granules. Let's go. Somebody should give me mango. Are we ready? Somebody should give me ginger. Yeah, drop it. Yeah, let's go. No time. Somebody should give me avocado pear. Somebody should give me Gary. Are we ready? Let's go. Somebody should give me bitter cola. No, madam, no. Ready. May I not forget say there two different color of apple. That's two different color, green and red. Okay. Are we ready? The money don't finish, oh. Are we ready? Green apple. Are we good? Let's go. Somebody should give me garlic. Let's go. Somebody should give me mango. should give me onions.
Hey, Opa.
Abi. When I don't lie. Somebody should give me bitter cola. Are we ready? Are we ready? When I'm being honest, somebody should give me big. Are we ready? Yes. Somebody should give me the last money. They don't pay my money for here. Somebody should give me pepper. Amen. Hey, wait. I don't lie. Don't go back. I come for yourself. I think the two teams are winning. I don't even know who we pass, but when I try to share the money, congratulations for them. You guys know your comments and follow for more video. Hello.